Brace yourselves, electricity prices are set to go up after a review by the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority, EPRA.
To allay the fears that are being spread by people that there will be an increase in electricity costs, I want to assure the country that we removed subsidies in August. There will be no additional charges today or going into the future on electricity bills to the people of Kenya. And in 3 months' time, we will have public consultation to ensure that we have tariffs that are sensitive.
Mimi nilizaliwa mufamilia masikini, wazazi hawana kazi na pesa hamuna.
In 6 months' time, in a couple of months,
kama watoto wote, lakini